Hey guys, what's up? So, 2 recent top best trade tweets are 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first tweet is called City of Timeout 10, and force City to only spend 10 seconds trying to refresh each source. Cuts down the overall refresh time, inspired by Chicken Matt's outdated City of Timeout 2520. Force City to only spend 10 seconds trying to refresh each source. So, yeah, so instead of refreshing the sources for what could take 1 minute to honestly 10-15 minutes, it makes this down to like 10 seconds. So, pretty cool. Next is called Tap Video Config. Change video configuration directly in the camera app. Next is called Telegram Contact Photo. So Telegram contacts photos in short look when you receive a Telegram notification. Next is called DND Allow. Allows specific apps to be shown when Do Not Disturb or bedtime is activated. Next is called Hide Your Apps, and basically allows you to hide your apps from your home screen. You can do this for many reasons. Let's say you want to take it to Apple for a question or whatever, and you don't want them to see that you have a jailbreak. This, you can hide it from there. Or if you don't want someone seeing that you have a specific app on your device, let's say you have a girlfriend or boyfriend and you have Tinder, probably don't want them to see that, so you can hide it. I don't recommend doing that stuff because that doesn't sound right, but you could do just hide your apps from your springboard basically. The next tweet is called Boxy 4, iOS 13 to 14, version 4.2, actually 0.6 now. Fully customize your icon layout. So you can easily control your icon layout with a quick swipe up from the home screen. You drag the layout bots around to adjust the layout of the icons. You can also pinch to adjust icon size. This tweet is called LPM AutoLockTime, updated for iOS 14. Set a custom time for auto lock while on low power mode. Next tweet is called Auto Recorder XX. So iOS 12 and 13, it does support iOS 14. So this is the outdated one, but the original one does support iOS 14, and it's the most advanced iOS call recorder ever. It also records the audio and the voice of an app or game, or just your voice from your screen recorder, or whatever you want to do. But just also make sure you guys comply with the law. So read the legal disclaimer and comply with it. So me or developers can take responsibility if I just use this tweak. Just make sure you follow laws in your county. And yeah, you see right here adds iOS 14 support. Next tweet is called Dual Clock. Adds a second clock to the lock screen and status bar. Next tweet is called libjc, a library used by Jailbreak dev. Next tweet is called Tab Blocker, and block in new advertisement tabs and more. So when you try to watch a video or a certain page, it keeps coming up, which gets really annoying. You can block that from keep popping up. So pretty cool. Next tweet is called FB Sponsored. Tweet remove sponsored and suggested post video etc. from the iOS Facebook application. This tweet is called Kiera. This tweet is called Kiera. iOS 14 indicators dots, iOS 12 and 13. So on top, it's going to show you a certain color. Depending on that color, you see it's what's being used. So between between your location, GPS location, between your voice, and between the camera app. So you can tell what's being used for that application. And you guys, that's really it. Also with Auto Recorder XX, it also fits a potential issue with the latest substitute. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.